We're often told that higher discounts drive higher volumes, but is that always true? We asked BizQuery AI to analyze the correlation between discount percentages and order totals in the Northeast. Specifically, we wanted to find the value leaks, accounts getting more than a 20% discount while falling below our regional sales average. Let's get the regional average for confirmation. Here's the actual query to find the over-discounting trap. Within seconds, BizQuery processed over 5,000 records, calculated a dynamic regional baseline of $52,594.88, and filtered the outliers. Look at client 765 and client 804. These are perfect examples of a profit leak. This discount percentage column identifies our most aggressive concessions. BizQuery filtered for anything over 20%. For client 804, we see a 25.79% discount, one of the highest in the region. Order total is the reality check. Despite receiving a 25% discount, client 804 only generated $8,871 in revenue, less than 17% of our regional average. This tells us the discount isn't driving growth, it's just eroding margin. By showing these columns side by side, BizQuery proves that there is a negative correlation in these specific accounts. We are giving away profit without the payoff of high-volume sales. What makes this unique is the precision. Notice that even though we are comparing single accounts against a regional average, there is zero row explosion. BizQuery's relational integrity ensures that each account total is calculated once and compared once, giving you a clean, audit-ready list of accounts to renegotiate. This case study showcases how BizQuery AI transforms a vague suspicion, "Are we over-discounting?" into a targeted list of high-priority accounts. It allows leadership to move from broad policy changes to surgical account management by identifying where the sales strategy is failing to deliver ROI.